Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk English Daily, the place where learning English is always easy, slow, and fun. I am Alex.
And I am Mia. Hello, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here with you today. How are you doing today, Alex?
I am doing great, Mia. Thank you for asking. I am feeling very happy today. The weather is beautiful, and I am ready to talk. How about you? How are you feeling today?
I am feeling fantastic, Alex. I have my cup of tea and I am ready to help our listeners learn some real-life English. We have a very useful topic today.
We do have a very useful topic. It is something that every single person does. Every week, people go to this place.
That is true. But before we tell everyone our topic, we have a small, friendly request for our listeners.
Oh, yes. Everyone, if you enjoy our podcast and want to learn English with us, please take 1 second to click the like button. It is a very small click for you, but it is a big help for us.
Yes, please do. And if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Talk English Daily. When you subscribe, you will never miss our new episodes. We want to help you speak English naturally and confidently.
And please share this episode with your friends and family. If you know someone who is learning English, share this podcast with them. Learning together is always more fun.
Exactly. Sharing is caring. Okay, Alex, are you ready? Let us tell our friends about today's topic.
I am very ready. Today, we are talking about English in daily life. Specifically, we are talking about the supermarket.
The supermarket. Wow, that is a perfect topic. Everyone goes to the supermarket to buy food, but sometimes talking at the supermarket in a new language can be a little bit scary.
Yes, it can be. There are many different words for the food, the sections, and the people who work there. Today, we will make it very simple. We will learn practical grocery vocabulary together.
I love that word, practical. It means you can use it today. So, Alex, let us start at the very beginning. Before we go to the supermarket, what must we do?
Well, if you are like me, you forget things easily. So before I go to the supermarket, I always write a shopping list.
A shopping list. That is a great phrase. A shopping list is a piece of paper or a note on your phone with all the things you need to buy.
Exactly. For example, if I open my refrigerator and I see there is no milk, I write milk on my shopping list.
That is right. In English, when you have no more of something, you can say, "We have run out of milk."
Run out of. That is a fantastic phrase, Mia. Let me say it slowly. Run out of. We have run out of milk. We have run out of eggs. We have run out of bread.
Perfect. So you write all those things on your shopping list. Now you arrive at the supermarket. You walk through the big glass doors. What is the first thing you need?
You need something to carry your food. You have two choices. You can use a shopping basket or you can use a shopping cart.
A shopping basket and a shopping cart. Can you explain the difference, Alex?
Of course. A shopping basket is small. You carry it in your hand. You use a shopping basket when you only need to buy a few things, like maybe just some apples and a bottle of water.
Yes, a basket is for a small trip. But what if your shopping list is very long?
Then you need a shopping cart. A shopping cart is big. It has 4 wheels and you push it. You use a shopping cart when you need to buy food for the whole week.
A shopping cart. Some countries call it a trolley, but in American English, we usually say shopping cart or just cart.
Yes, I almost always use a cart because I love to buy a lot of food.
I know you do, Alex. Okay, so we have our shopping cart. Now we start walking through the supermarket. The supermarket is divided into long walking spaces. What do we call those spaces?
We call them aisles. This is a very important word and the spelling is a little crazy.
It really is. Can you spell aisle for our listeners?
Yes, it is spelled A-I-S-L-E. Aisle. The letter S is completely silent. We do not say the S. We just say aisle.
Aisle. Exactly. Supermarkets have many aisles. You might say, the pasta is in aisle 4, or the coffee is in aisle 7.
Yes, so we push our cart down the aisles. But supermarkets also have special areas called sections. Mia, what is your favorite section in the supermarket?
Oh, that's easy. My favorite section is the produce section.
The produce section. That's a great vocabulary word. What can we find in the produce section?
The produce section is where you find fresh fruits and vegetables. It is always so colorful. You can find red apples, yellow bananas, green broccoli, and orange carrots.
I love the produce section too. It smells so fresh. When you buy fresh fruits and vegetables, you usually need to know how heavy they are.
Yes, you have to weigh them. You put the apples on a scale to see how much they weigh. Then the scale tells you the price.
Exactly. Okay, so we leave the produce section. We walk to another part of the supermarket. It is very cold in this section.
Ah, it is cold because it is the dairy section.
The dairy section. What is dairy, Mia?
Dairy means foods that are made from milk. So in the dairy section, you will find milk, cheese, butter, and yogurt.
Very good. When I buy milk in the dairy section, I always check something very important. I check the expiration date.
The expiration date, yes, that is so important.
Can you explain what an expiration date is?
Of course. The expiration date is the date printed on the food. It tells you when the food will go bad. It tells you the last day the food is safe to eat.
Yes, sometimes it says best by or use by. You must always check the expiration date so you do not buy old milk.
Good tip, Alex. So we have our fruits and we have our milk. Now, what if you are looking for something but you cannot find it?
Ah, this happens to me all the time. The supermarket is so big and I get lost. If you cannot find something, you need to ask a supermarket worker for help.
Yes, and asking for help in English is very simple. You can use this easy question. Excuse me, where can I find…
Excuse me, where can I find… That is a perfect, polite sentence. Let's practice. Mia, you are the supermarket worker.
Okay, I am working. I am organizing the boxes.
Excuse me, where can I find the rice?
Hello, the rice is in aisle 5.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
See, it is very easy. You say, excuse me, to be polite. Then you ask, where can I find, and you say the name of the food.
Let's do one more example. Alex, excuse me, where can I find the eggs?
The eggs are in the dairy section, next to the milk.
Thank you. It is a simple conversation, but it is so useful.
It is. Okay, Mia, we have almost everything on our shopping list, but I want to go to one more aisle. It is my favorite aisle.
Oh, let me guess. Is it the snack aisle?
Yes, the snack aisle. I love snacks. Potato chips, cookies, chocolate.
Alex, chocolate and cookies are not on our shopping list.
I know, but sometimes you have to buy things that make you smile.
That is true. A little bit of chocolate is okay. Oh, look, the chocolate is on sale today.
On sale. That is another excellent phrase. What does it mean when something is on sale?
When an item is on sale, it means it is cheaper than normal. There is a discount. It costs less money.
I love when things are on sale. It saves me money. If the chocolate is on sale, I will buy 2.
Okay. Put the chocolate in the shopping cart. I think our cart is full now. We have everything on the list, and we have your snacks. Where do we go now?
Now it is time to pay. We need to go to the checkout.
The checkout, yes. The checkout is the place at the front of the supermarket where you pay for your groceries.
When you go to the checkout, you usually have to wait in line.
Waiting in line, that means standing behind other people who are also waiting to pay.
Exactly. You wait in line. When it is your turn, you talk to the cashier.
The cashier is the person who works at the checkout. The cashier scans your food to see how much it costs.
The cashier will scan the milk, beep, scan the apples, beep, scan the chocolate, beep.
Then the cashier will ask you a question about paying. The cashier will say, "How would you like to pay? Cash or card?"
Cash or card. Cash means paper money and coins. Card means a credit card or a debit card. These days, most people use a card.
Yes, I almost always pay with my card. Or I pay with my phone. Technology is amazing.
It is. After you pay, the cashier will ask you another question. They will say, "Would you like a receipt?"
A receipt. Listen to that word carefully, everyone. Receipt. The letter P is silent. Receipt.
Excellent point, Nia. The P is completely silent, and a receipt is a small piece of paper that shows exactly what you bought and how much you paid.
Yes, it is good to take the receipt just to check that the prices were correct.
After you pay, you put your groceries in bags. You can use plastic bags, paper bags, or you can bring your own reusable bags from home.
Bringing your own reusable bags is very good for the environment. I always try to bring my own bags.
Me too. And then we push our cart to the car and we drive home. We finished our supermarket trip.
We did! Wow, we learned so many great words today. This was a very helpful conversation.
I think so too. Let us slowly repeat the key phrases for our listeners so they can practice their pronunciation.
That's a great idea. Listeners, please repeat after us. Say the words out loud. Are you ready?
Here's the first one. Shopping list.
Shopping list.
Shopping cart.
Shopping cart.
Aisle.
Aisle.
Produce section.
Produce section.
Dairy section.
Dairy section.
Expiration date.
Expiration date.
Excuse me, where can I find the rice?
Excuse me, where can I find the rice?
On sale.
On sale.
Checkout.
Checkout.
Cashier.
Cashier.
Receipt.
Receipt.
Fantastic job, everyone. You can use these words the next time you go to the supermarket. Speaking English in real life gets easier every time you practice.
It really does. Do not be afraid to practice. If you are at the supermarket, look around and think of the English words for what you see. Think, "That is a cart," or "This is the produce section."
That is a wonderful tip, Mia. Thinking in English helps your brain learn faster. Well, I think that's all the time we have for today's episode.
Yes, our time is finished for today. Thank you all so much for listening to Talk English Daily. We love helping you on your English journey.
We really do. Before you go, please remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a big like. Share it with a friend who is learning English.
And we have a question for you. We love reading your comments. Please leave a comment below and tell us, what is your favorite food to buy at the supermarket?
Oh, that's a great question. Do you love buying fresh fruit? Or maybe you're like me and you love buying chocolate in the snack aisle.
Tell us in the comments. We will read your answers. Thank you for practicing your English with us today.
Have a wonderful, happy day, everyone. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.